The Naked and Famous. The Naked and Famous. Blue Merle. More Blue Merle 21 of 30 The best bands with blue in the name 21 of 29 The best adult album alternative bands/artists Pretty Girls Make Graves Powderfinger More Powderfinger 1510 of 1728 The best rock bands of all time 39 of 74 The best bands named after body parts 49 of 73 The best grunge bands The Kooks The Kooks Blonde Redhead The Sisters of Mercy Deacon Blue Ladytron Shakespears Sister Shakespears Sister Boyz II Men ABC What ABC in 79 of 1891 The greatest musical artists of all time 242 of 465 The greatest musical artists of the 80s 208 of 221 bands/artists with only one great album Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds Old 97s Old 97s All-time low The Mountain Goats Death Cab for Cutie Jet More Jet 192 of 461 The best current pop groups/singers 48 of 101 The best musical groups featuring brothers rank Bad Brains Bad Brains Panic at the Disco Panic at the Disco Spoon Squeeze Big Country Silverchair Silverchair The Black Angels Seether Seether Can Heat Nazareth Judas Priest Judas Priest The Moody Blues The Rolling Stones
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.